This is tiramisu the way we think it was always meant to be. Cardamom in the espresso, rosewater in the cream, pistachio everywhere. You're going to want to see where this goes. So, the soak. Most people just use plain espresso and call it a day. We don't do that here. 1 teaspoon of cardamom goes into the espresso while it's still warm. Then add a bit of sugar and add a bit of milk and mix it all together well. Then let it cool completely. Now we'll make the cream. This is the bit that looks technical and really isn't. Separate 5 egg yolks and combine with some sugar. Egg yolks and sugar over barely simmering water. Whisk until pale and thick. You'll know it's ready when it falls off the whisk like a ribbon. Next is the double cream. Add it to a bowl and whip till you have soft peaks. Then the mascarpone. We place it in another bowl and we beat it until it's completely smooth and lump-free. Add the egg yolk mixture to the mascarpone. Then we add some rose water and vanilla extract. Then the pistachio paste goes in. Give it a light mix and then fold everything together gently. Don't overwork it. This is what we want. Now the assembly. 1 second each side in the espresso soak. Just 1 second. I know it feels like it's not enough, but the Ladyfingers will continue absorbing liquid in the refrigerator overnight. Give them too long now and the layers will lose their definition. First layer of Ladyfingers done. Now we add some cream on top. Spread it out nice and evenly, all the way to the edges. Now we start our second layer of Ladyfingers. You can easily trim a ladyfinger to size after dipping to ensure that you'll have perfectly even layers. Final cream on top. Then it goes into the fridge. Minimum 6 hours, but overnight is better if you can. After all that waiting, here we go. Pistachios first. Don't be shy with them. Scatter them generously to cover the top completely. Then a hot knife. Dip it in hot water and wipe it in between every single cut to ensure that you have clean slices. There it is. Clean layers, vivid color. Rose petals scattered. Yeah, that's the one. Silky, deeply espresso. Warmth from the cardamom running all the way through. The cream, floral, rich, and the rose just present enough to make you smile. The pistachio at the end. Earthy, crunchy, unexpected. If this is your kind of thing, subscribe. We're here every week. Always something new, always something unexpected, and always something that's simpler than it looks.